Hi friends, today we are going to start second lecture for biomolecules and cell biology, paper 2 for BSc Biotechnology first semester. In today's lecture, we are going to see in detail about the cell. So let's start with the lecture. What is cell? The cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Means the cell provides the structure and it has various several functions of life. It is also regarded as basic unit of biological activity. Means cell is an very important component of biological activity. The concept of cell was originated The concept of cell originated from the contribution of Sheldon and Swan. The cell of living kingdom is divided into two main categories. They are prokaryotic cell and second is eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell does not have well defined nucleus, whereas eukaryotic cell has well defined nucleus, which we will see further. This is the diagram of prokaryotic cell, which has cell wall, capsule, nucleoid, that is DNA, plasma membrane, mesosomes, ribosomes, cytoplasm, and bacterium flagellum. Next, this is eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell has plasma membrane, some organelles like Golgi apparatus, ribosomes, cytoplasm, lysosomes, mitochondria, nucleolus, nucleus, centrioles, and microtubule. This is the structure of eukaryotic cell. Now, we will study the differentiation between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. This is the comparison between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. First, we will see the characteristics and we will differentiate each characteristic with prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. There are 7 different characteristics. By studying this comparison, you can clear the picture about prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. The size of prokaryotic cell is 1 to 10 mm, whereas the size of eukaryotic cell is generally large, that is 10 to 100 mm. Cell membrane. Cell is enveloped by a rigid cell wall. That means cell membrane is absent in prokaryotic cell, whereas in eukaryotic cell is enveloped by flexible plasma membrane. Third, subcellular organelles. Subcellular organelles like mitochondria, nucleus, cytoplasm are absent in prokaryotic cell, whereas distinct organelles are found like mitochondria and nucleus in eukaryotic cell. Fourth is nucleus. Prokaryotic cell do not have well defined nucleus, whereas nucleus is well defined and surrounded by membrane in eukaryotic cell. Energy metabolism. Energy metabolism is done by the enzymes which are bound to the membrane in prokaryotic cell, whereas in eukaryotic cell, enzymes of energy metabolism are present in mitochondria. Sixth, cell division. Cell division in prokaryotic cell is usually done by binary fission, whereas cell division in eukaryotic cell is done by mitosis. Cytoplasm, organelles and cytoskeleton is absent in prokaryotic cell, whereas eukaryotic cell contains organelles and cytoplasm. Students, this is the difference between the prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Now, we will see the components of cell. The living matter is generally made up of 6 elements such as carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus and sulfur. These elements constitute about 90% of the dry weight of the human body. But some other important elements like calcium, potassium, sodium, chloride, magnesium, ferrous, copper, cobalt, iodine and zinc are also present inside the cell. Next, we will see some complex biomolecules of the cell. We will see the biomolecules, the building block of that particular biomolecule and major function. First is protein. Protein has a building block amino acid, and the function of protein in the cell is fundamental basis of structure and function of cell. Function like static and dynamic function. Second, DNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid. The building block of DNA is deoxyribonucleotides. DNA, the function of DNA is repository of hereditary information. Third is RNA, that is ribonucleic acid. The building block of RNA, that is ribonucleic acid, is ribonucleotides, and the function of RNA is essentially required for protein biosynthesis. Fourth is polysaccharides. For example, glycogen. Building block of polysaccharides are monosaccharides, that is glucose. This provides, or this, the function of polysaccharide is, it is storage form of energy to meet short term demands. Next is lipids. The building block for lipid is fatty acid and glycerol. The function of lipid in the cell is storage form of energy to meet long term demands, and it is a structural component of membrane. So these are some complex biomolecule. The important thing in this are, which are related to your syllabus, are the comparison between eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell, which you have to learn thoroughly, and the next is the components of cell. As compared to hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus and sulfur, carbon is an crucial element in the components of cell. But as compared to other elements, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus and sulfur are the main elements. These 6 elements, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus and sulfur, give some evidence related to origin of life. Now, as we talk or as we compare the elements of the earth crust consists of the elements like potassium, calcium, sodium, chloride, magnesium, ferrous, copper, cobalt, iodine. Or when we see the periodic table, we have 108 elements, but When we see the composition of an living organism, it is observed that only the six element, that is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus and sulfur, has about 90% of dry weight. These six elements, when studied in detail, gave an evidence that gave an evidence about the origin of life, which we will study in tomorrow's lecture. Thank you.